In this video, I will explain you how to make dynamic web form with conditional questions. So the first thing you need to do is change the title into dynamic web form with conditional questions. And then click add-ons, Goofy Forms, load from templates. And after the template shown, you can search it dynamic and click the dynamic form and click the dynamic web form, load selected template. After that, you can check the dashboard, responses, questions, setting. You can check and then refresh the page and click the Goofy Forms tab, get a link and continue. Choose your account and then advance and go to Goofy Form and then click allow and then just copy the link and paste it into your search engine and the template finally shown. You can use it instantly. You can go back to the Google spreadsheet and click the setting tab to edit the form. Thank you.